Alright guys, I would like to have a very quick summary of last week, our emerging technology challenge. We have three options. One is the tutorial, follow the tutorial to create the 3D objects on the web. One is register COVID-19 contact track course, complete the week 1 couple weeks assignment there. And also write up a summary of your reading. So I get, people finish all three different format actually. Arrow actually did reading summary, and I want to show she not only did the reading summary, also creating the landing page. And for Mechi, actually, she did the landing page with the 3D objects, follow the tutorial, and create the 3D objects on the web. And the last one is Kelly did complete the study about week 1 of the contact tracking for COVID-19. So I hope you guys learned something from the challenge week 1. And for the week 2 challenge, we're going to have two options. One is creating your very first Python programs with machine learning, learning a little bit about machine learning. Basically, I don't need you to do a lot of things. I just set up the Python programs either in Jupyter or Colab. You can get more information in the lectures and watching, reading, and learning sessions, and creating the code and reading some data set and display data set. That's it, the first option. The second one is still writing summary of your reading at the same time. I would like to think about how to become a data scientist if you are approaching that round. And also describe at least 2 examples analysis how those skill of becoming a data science or the AI skill can apply to the real life in our daily life, or help your organization to protect them from competitive market, to be active, proactive. Okay. So good job for week 1, and I hope you guys will join the second challenge of week 2.